Hey guys, welcome back for news crypto token NWC technical analysis in only 3 minutes. So bear with me, won't be long. I'm using Ichimoku Cloud as usual. What we can see here on a daily time frame that is pretty interesting is our lagging here. This line here, and this kind of purple line is my lagging span. My lagging span is 26 period behind my current candle at the exact same price. And right now, so this one is going to move the same as our candle today, exactly same for this time frame. I'm on a daily time frame. So what we know here is we have a Kijun just under. We just broke this Tenkan, but we got a Kijun now, and this Kijun is creating resistance to our pricing, our current pricing. So the candle will have some difficulties to go lower than this price here, because once our lagging is going to touch here, it's going to become difficult. Once it goes here around this area, it's going to try to break, and it's going to be hard, especially because we're also getting very close to this other Tenkan. But anyway, in a matter of fact, the Kijun is strong as hell. It's a daily Kijun. It's going to be hard. So once we get there, we should see our candle rebound. It's going to go on a run. Our lagging is going to move toward the sky. So basically, it's going to and break up, most probably. However, one interesting fact as well is we have only one doji candle here. Those one are not doji candle. So to break inside, normally we need to have at least 3 doji candle, or more like a configuration like here. So on another hand, we know that if it blocks here, we're going to be blocked above around here. This candle is going to create some pressure. So the easy way right now for our lagging, the easiest way is not to go up, but it's to break here and keep going down until this area here, and then break inside this candle. Sorry for the draws, pretty bad. I'm not very good at it, but basically that's a possibility. So you need to watch out, because at least we're gonna have the resistance, and I think we will be testing it. So around 0.869028 USD for the pair. So that's it for the moment. I'm going to go on a 4 hours time frame quickly before the end of this video. We touch our Kijun 4 hours, so now we can play with the Tenkan 4 hours. That's pretty much what happened here. Straight up within 4 hours. Now we're going to go upward, I think, again up to here, or maybe right down to the Kijun 4 hours. But basically, we're going to test one of them. We're going to test this one if we want to keep going on a bull run, or we're going to keep testing this Kijun 4 hours if you want to go bearish. So you watch out this area here. Use your MTF to have this Kijun 4 hours always on your screen, even when you're going to on a 1 hour. You can see it's here, Kijun 4 hours. I'll leave you the video at the end of this one, and you watch out to see if we break down this one or not. Remember, guys, Bitcoin has big things happening today. There is expiry of all put and open options. So the contract will expire tonight. This can bring Bitcoin very, very down. It's more on the downtrend at the moment. So be careful in case. Have your stop loss ready. For this one, I would recommend to have a stop loss around here, around the 0.84. Since we touch it twice and we start to go on our Tenkan 1 hour, there is no reason for us to go back into the SSB of the cloud. So I will have a stop loss right here. Okay, guys, sorry, it's enough. I talked too much already. I see you soon. You have a nice day. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.